What it is, what's popping, was goody. What's happening, y'all people? Hopefully, you guys are having a good, a great, a blessed night like I am. So today I'm doing a quick update review of a part that I got a while ago now. I would say I probably had this part for maybe almost a year now, to be exact. I haven't done a review on it or an update, whatever. So I'm kind of going through and do videos of every part that I did and got on the car, just to make sure I have just an update of everything. But the part I'm talking about is the louvers for my 2015 Dodge Challenger. I got it. I think I got it on eBay, if I'm not mistaken. It wasn't more than $100. I can't remember what the price was exactly, but it is a great part. Gives that car an old school look. It's very durable. Durable, I should say, plastic that I have on here. So the install was pretty simple. I know they have metal ones in all different kinds. Some of them are multiple pieces. They got some of them with different designs, but I wanted this design right here to kind of keep it authentic to the old Challenger look. So install was pretty simple. It comes with these metal plates, metal pieces that you place around the window. And then you have these little screw with washers that goes on top for the install. It had some weather rubbery washing. I forgot how you call it, but it goes on the edges or whatnot, so it could cause not that much vibration when you drive and go at high speeds. But the ones that it came with wasn't that great, because over time it kind of flattened to the surface of the window. So when I was driving in high speed, you hear the vibration and a rattle, especially when I got my 12s in the back bumping. You hear the vibration as well. So I went to Home Depot and also Lowe's and Walmart, trying to search for some type of thicker weather stripping. I couldn't really find any, but I found some for the door, of like a door or a window. So I used that to put on there so it could kind of protect it or whatnot. And it came out pretty well. So I'm gonna kind of lift it up so it doesn't scratch the car. But this is what I'm talking about right now. So I got these going down the middle here. This little fuzzy thing, as you can see. But these are the weather stripping that I put. That's gonna go on top of here. So I'm about to install this back. I cleaned out the windows, make sure that they were all clean. The one thing about having the louvers too, when you wash your car, if you want to wash that back window thoroughly, you're gonna have to take them off each time, or you have the option of not, and just every periodically you take it off to clean the window thoroughly. What I do, when I wash my car, I kind of fit my hand through here to kind of clean out the window. You can't really see it anyways, in or out. And every once in a while, I'll take the whole thing off, clean the window thoroughly or whatnot. So I'm about to throw this back on, kind of let y'all see what to do, and then close out the video. Short video, man, straight to the point. All right, my good people, so I got the finished product up. As you could see how it looks on the vehicle. It looks really good, man. It gives the car that old school look. On some of the weather stripping, I had to apply some crazy glue because the adhesive that it came with didn't really stick that well. But as you could see, it is a seamless to the actual glass, and this is a little fizzle part where you probably can't see underneath, but I have everything. And so when I drive now, when I'm bumping my music, you will not hear that rattling on the car. You would not hear all that buzzing sound as well that I hated. Was kind of annoying. But yeah, man. So like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Please look at my other playlists as well, where I have my auto, my watch, and my shoe stuff. But again, man, thank you for joining the Average Guys YouTube channel, where I talk about watches, cars, and shoes, man. Just an average guy doing average things, man. Holla, God bless, treat people as you want to be treated. Put God first in everything you do. Holla. Peace.